decisions that will shape.
The opening ceremony of the NBA Lagos Law Week attracted judges, government officials, as well as members of the inner and the outer bar. The Law Week had the theme, Lawyering in the Digital Age, and the keynote speaker, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, spoke to the sub-theme, Beyond Disruption, Redefining Legal Practice at the Intersection of Law, Technology and Justice.
Technology is an instrument of justice. It can never become its substitute. Judicial decision-making involves far more than applying rules to facts. It requires the interpretation of constitutional values, the assessment of credibility, the balancing of competing rights, and the exercise of judicial conscience. Those responsibilities cannot be delegated to algorithms.
On judicial reforms, the CJN said the judiciary has made significant progress through electronic filing and virtual court proceedings, even as she disclosed that plans are underway for the rollout of a national case management system.
This represents one of the most significant institutional reforms ever undertaken by our apex court. Beyond closely aligned with this initiative is the forthcoming unveiling of the Supreme Court's mandatory upload of electronic copies of processes, record of appeal and other matters, practice directions 2026.
On its part, the Lagos State government restates its commitment to leveraging technology to improve the judiciary.
Accordingly, we have continued to leverage technology to improve public service delivery, including the justice sector, through electronic filing, digital case management, and other technology-driven reforms aimed at making justice faster, more transparent, and more accessible.
The leadership of the NBA Lagos says the branch will continue to work with stakeholders to strengthen the justice system and the profession.
I must be fair to the judiciary that the challenges are not limited to the judiciary. Part of the challenges we face as a nation come with interconnectivity issues, the absence of power, and that's the reliance on technology. It's not a standalone. It has to be in an environment that works. So we'll continue to engage with relevant stakeholders, Lagos State Judiciary, the National Judicial Commission. Will continue to engage and hope that our feedback will be taken on board and we continue to refine the systems which we must adopt. We don't have a choice.
Over the next few days, the lawyers will also confront increasing incidents of data breaches, compliance, ethics, and the question of fair remuneration, especially for the younger lawyers. Shola Shuyeli, Channels Television News.